Remember the scene from The Natural where the psychologist is talking to the New York Knights about their bad slump? He says, losing is like a disease. Well, the Kansas City Royals have that disease. Nothing going right for the Royals. They had lost 6 straight games heading into their series finale against Tampa Bay. James Shields getting the start for the Rays. He's 3-1 at the Trop this season. Top of the third, no score. Billy Butler going to change that as he ropes one to right center field. 2 runs are going to score. Kansas City up 2-0. 16th double of the year for Butler. Gilmesh has not won a game since May 3rd. He wasn't sharp, but he was solid. Bottom of the 4th, strikes out Carl Crawford. Top of the 6th inning, check this out. Butler up the middle. Reed Brignac, the beautiful play, the toss to Ben Zobrist. Oh, Ben. You got to catch that ball. Would have been a highlight of the night. James Shields has one of the best change-ups in the league, and he shows it off. Mike Jacobs, whoop! Bat goes into the stands, and hey, nice catch. Holds on to the popcorn as well. Top of the 7th, Miguel Olivo. Oh, no. Shields had 8 strikeouts on the night. Bottom of the 7th, Carl Crawford smokes one to right center field. That's not coming back. 4th home run of the season. Rays down 2-1. Jamie Wright trying to hold the Rays at bay. Bottom of the 8th, man on, B.J. Upton. Dangerous, and he comes through. Up, and away. A 2-run shot. 3rd of the year. 3-2 Rays. Top of the 9th, J.P. Howell trying to finish things off. Facing Jose Guillen. How about that yellow hammer? That was flat out nasty. Rays win 3-2. The Rays are back at the 500 mark, winning their 3rd straight game. Despite going 0 for 13, hitting with runners in scoring position, the Royals can't catch a break. They have dropped 7 in a row. Great outing for Shields. He goes 8 strong innings, giving up 2 runs on 6 hits. He strikes out 8 and does not walk a batter.